Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize thank you page in WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go to your WooCommerce plugin. And from here or in the dashboard, we will find all these customization or this WooCommerce plugin here. So we need to access it, and basically one of the things that we will see is the preview store. So you can simply go to the store and we need to click on it, and from there we will be able to customize it. So as you see, we can find the customize button here, and if you are using Elementor or any other styler or any customizer, you will be able to use it from here. So now I'm just using the default WordPress uh, editor, and basically from here you will find all your pages. So there is the general pages, and from here you can find all these, and there is the product catalog, etc., where you can find the products and the shop card structure, etc. And you will need just to search for the thank you page, and you will be able to customize it. And first, you will need to have your WooCommerce extension. So here we can go to this extension, and basically you will need to have some thank you page extension so that will add the thank you page, and you can search for a thank you page extension that will add these elements, and as you can see you can find the custom thank you page, and you will need just to add it. So you can click on few details and click on add to cart or buy now, so it will be added to your account, and then you will need just to do the same as we did. You go just here, and after that you will need just to come to the payments. So let's go back and go to customize, and basically you just search for the checkout from here, and then you will find the customization concerning the thank you page, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.